Good morning, friends. Today we will be looking at one more useful module from our own Odoo Community Association. In previous version of Odoo, we were able to control and define the sequence number of our journal entry. Journal entry means invoice, bills, etc. So here, with latest version like version 18, if you want to have that feature, we can use this particular application, general sequence in account journal from our own OCA branch version 18. Once installed, you will be able to see on journals a separate entry like account entry number sequence where you can set a separate sequence number. So this sequence number you can do one after another by majorly for all your sequences to remember. So here, let's say I have installed this module after creating few invoices. Now, if I am creating this particular invoice today, so over here, this entry number will be created by default. But now, if I am creating any vendor bill, or any vendor bill like I confirm, it will create an entry number here. So when we are creating any vendor bill or any journals, we can set it up. So here now this account entry number, it is a blocked field. But whenever you are creating new, this sequence number will be there. And if you want to renumber everything, then how you can do? So over here, you see one more menu is given because in my customer invoice, we can see for this invoice, I don't have any entry number which was created previously. And I want to renumber everything. So I can go into this renumber journal entry and everything coming from that, I want to renumber. So over here, now you can see the numbers has been set up over here for each and every sequences. So the new entry has been created. So for every particular document, which is for invoice and vendor bills, now you can see date wise, it has assigned the entry number accordingly. So this unique entry number will help you to identify the fields very quickly. So this is entry number. If I want that entry number somewhere here, I can go to studio and I will find where is this entry number. So this is my entry number which I can populate over here also. So here the reference number is there, everything is there, and I want my entry number to publish over here to help me out to recall entry number. So this is a useful module which will grant you a unique entry number to each journal entry, and this journal entry is not limited to invoice bills but credit note also will remains. See if I want to create a credit note, then I am reversing also the same over here, which will generate me another entry number right now. So you can see for all the evidence which are invoices or credit note, it will contain a unique entry number for our reference. So the accountant which or whoever wish to take an advantage to give a unique entry number to each transaction, whether it's bills, invoices or credit notes, they can install and use this particular module from this particular account financial tool branch, along with some other modules are also useful. I am passing this link in my video description so you can take an advantage. If you have any question, reach out to us at techveda.com or my YouTube and LinkedIn channel. Thank you guys. Good day.